Hi everyone, welcome to the How to Craft Network studio, home of Stamps by me. My name is Tony Darroch and today's show I'm going to showcase a lovely product available on HSN. Item number 830257 and it's this wonderful spring morning paper and stamp kit. Totally awesome. When you get your packet, you'll receive this insert and there is this QR code here. You need to scan this QR code. This takes you to all of the step-by-steps, video content, inspiration, lots of things to get you going. It's an updating QR code, which means there's always going to be relevant inspiration loaded on all of the time. All you need to do is continue to scan that code. Let's show you what's in it. So in here, we get some wonderful stamp sets. So you get these sort of birdcage, florals and greenery, and the coordinating die, which is also really important when we want to build our scenes. We also get the script mason jar. Think about using your pens, pencils, watercolours, and again, this one comes with that gorgeous outline die and the matten layer as well. So if you want to create a drop shadow, you can do that. We also have 6x6 papers, which are so plush. They have a cream undertone. They have the yellows and the greens. You can see the lace running through here. I will actually take these out of the packet because I really want you to appreciate how beautiful they are. And as you can see, the theme just carries through. You have those bird cages, those florals, the lace design, those lovely open flowers in there. So that's your paper set. And then you get your coordinating vellums. And again, I'm going to take these out of the packet because I need you to see how beautiful these are. So these are 4 designs, 12 pages, 115 GSM. So these are going to be brilliant for wraps around your cards, wedding invites. They do carry your heat embossing really well too. And you can just add them to the top of a card and be creative straight away. Let me show you some wonderful samples so you're inspired straight away. So we have these lovely tag designs here, just built up with the whole collection. We have some shaped cards in here too, where you can colour the elements and create those dimensional cards also. But the cards that I love to create because of that high-end vellum are these types of cards with the beautiful overlays, and then underneath we get an incredible card that tells a whole story. Item number 830257 available on HSN. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.